Hi, I'm Doug Gillespie from Hydropool Hot Tubs and Swim Spas. Thank you very much for purchasing your hot tub from us. We really appreciate it. At Hydropool, we believe in making your ownership of your hot tub simple and enjoyable. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the controls and the overall operation of your hot tub so it makes it nice and easy for you to enjoy. Thanks again for purchasing. From zones and massage selectors to air controls, water features, and the control panel itself, this video will help you understand how everything works, step by step. Your Hydropool hot tub is divided into 4 zones. Each seat belongs to one of these 4 zones. When you press a pump button or adjust a massage selector, you're sending water to one or more of these zones. In this video, we will be using the Self-Cleaning 679 to demonstrate everything. But the concepts and operation discussed here apply to all our models. These are the zone layouts of all of Hydropool's self-cleaning lineup. Each zone has a specific use and jet pattern. Zone 1, shown here, is the core zone and has this same jet pattern on all our models. Zone 2, shown here, is the full body zone. If your spa has a lounger, that is Zone 2. If your spa doesn't have a lounger, look for the same V-shaped jet pattern to identify Zone 2. Zone 3, shown here, is for the upper back and shoulders, and always has this circle pattern. Zone 4, shown here, is the reflexology zone. It is always the underwater foot jets. This is your massage selector, marked with a single large water drop. Massage selectors control water flow between zones. Pump 1 on your control panel activates the jets in Zone 1 or Zone 3, depending on the position of your massage selector. All the water pressure you're seeing now is in Zone 3. To move the water pressure to Zone 1, turn the dial on the massage selector here. Now all the water is being pushed through the jets in Zone 1. If you want to use both Zones 1 and 3 at the same time, move the massage selector to the middle and you'll have water pressure in both zones. Pump 2 turns the jets on for Zone 2. By using the massage selector located over your shoulder in Zone 2, you can transfer all the water pressure from the jets in Zone 2 to the jets in Zone 4. If you want to use both Zones 2 and 4 at the same time, move the massage selector to the middle and you'll have water pressure in both zones. You can use both pumps 1 and 2 simultaneously, adjusting both massage selectors to your liking to perfectly customize your massage. These smaller knobs marked with 4 circles are your air controls. They mix air into the water for a stronger massage. There are 2 air controls on your spa. One air control is for Zones 1 and 3, and the other is for Zones 2 and 4. Turn them on to add bubbles and off when you're done. Always remember to close the air controls after each use. This helps keep the heat in, prevents a scum line from forming, supports proper water balance, and keeps your water treatment system working the way it should. Valves on the tub that control the 2 Hydrofoil pillows are identified with the 4 water droplets, shown here. Turn this valve to activate the Hydrofoil pillow water feature, and make sure to turn them off when you're finished. Leaving these valves open when not in use can allow water to continue flowing, and in some cases, it may cause water to leak out between the hot tub and its cover. Keeping them closed ensures your spa stays clean, efficient, and protected. Notice how all the dials on your spa are flat. Every dial acts as a cup holder to hold your beverage of choice while enjoying the spa. On the Self-Cleaning 679, there is one additional smaller massage selector located here. This massage selector will move water in the swing seat from the left side to the right side. On the left side, you can sit up in the spa and enjoy the massage. On the right side of the swing seat, you can swing your feet up, and this seat acts as a second lounger. Your spa also features adjustable pillows. As long as your pillow does not have a waterfall built into it, it can be raised or lowered to fit your height. Your spa's control panel gives you complete access. Unlock it to adjust pumps, lights, blower, and temperature. You'll also find maintenance menus where you can set the time, date, and filtration cycles. Filtration keeps your water clear and fresh. In the north, we recommend one continuous 24-hour cycle starting at 8 p.m. In the south, a 16-hour cycle beginning at 6 p.m. works best. These settings balance clean water with energy efficiency. After each service, reset your maintenance timers. That way, your spa will remind you when it's time for filter cleaning, water changes, or UVC maintenance. Your cabinet vents should be adjusted seasonally. Open them in spring to allow cooling airflow. Close them in fall to lock in heat. A simple adjustment that improves performance and efficiency all year long. Let's take a look at the self-cleaning filtration system. To access your filters, remove the top cover and the front shield. The floating filter on the left is our high-flow skimmer, which collects leaves and debris floating on the surface. To clean the skimmer and gain access to the fast-flow filter, remove the filter by pulling straight up. Twist the top of the skimmer while holding the base to access the enclosed basket and remove any debris. To reassemble, insert the top portion and twist clockwise to secure. Next, you can remove the fast-flow filter by unthreading it in a counterclockwise direction and remove by pulling straight up when loose. This filter acts as an oil-absorbent sponge and helps prevent scum lines from forming. This filter cannot be cleaned and should be replaced every 3 to 4 months. Don't forget to recycle the old filter. To replace the filter, drop the filter in the hole and twist clockwise until hand tight. Do not over-tighten. Before removing the pressurized filter, make sure that your breaker is off or the spa is in standby mode. To begin, loosen the bleed screw located on the top of the filter, then pull up on the locking tab and twist the outer ring counterclockwise. Remove the pressurized cap by holding the top of the filter canister and leaning away from the canister to break the seal. You can remove the pressurized filter by pulling straight up. This filter should be thoroughly rinsed and cleaned monthly and washed every 3 months. Visit your local retailer for further detailed instructions. To reinstall the filter, slide the filter down in the hole and ensure it is seated. The pressurized cap can be reinstalled. Make sure that you press down firmly to seat the lid. Reinstall the locking ring by twisting it clockwise until the locking tab engages. Do not over-tighten the ring. It should be slightly loose when the locking tab is engaged. Once your filter, lids, and locking ring is installed, you can remove the spa from standby mode or turn the breaker back on. Water will begin leaking out from the bleed screw. When this happens, tighten the bleed screw finger tight. Now you can reinstall the filter shield by sliding it down, then align the tabs and push in on each tab to secure. Then you can install the lid.
Well, that's all you need to know about Hydropool hot tubs and how to operate them. With those simple steps, you'll be able to enjoy your hot tub for years to come. Thanks again for purchasing from Hydropool, the world's only self-cleaning hot tub.